I just got the creepiest feeling. I'd walk down that path there, and there's a bunch of pine trees, and it's sort of a quiet area with not much growing.
I heard something make noise like whoop, and then whoop, and then it kept going, and it was almost like a dog toy. But I didn't see anybody with a dog. For some reason, the funny sound that it was, and because I didn't see anybody, creeped me out. So, anyway, I'm in my car.
And I've got my keys and my ignition. And I'm just gonna leave. And I'll never find out what it was. And that's okay with me. Bye-bye. Okay, so there's a guy and a dog. Or two dogs.
So good chance that it was them. Right, now I feel better. He's got something in his hand. Yeah, it was them. Right.
But it sounded like it was coming from the woods, but it must have been them. Right, now I feel better.